Hi, Sam here with Refrigerator Trim Kits. That's the name of the company. But we also make these custom microwave trim kits that we can make to fit pretty much any make and model on the market, including drawer microwaves and ovens. And so in this video, what I want to do is talk more about those. I want to talk about the 6 most commonly asked questions that we get about our microwave trim kits. Okay, the first question we get a lot is around price and lead time. What's the kit cost and when's it going to get to me? And so I'll point you to the website on that. We do occasionally make some changes to the price and the lead time, but we are very transparent with what the price is going to be, and that price does include shipping, and it's at the top of the list, the product page. And then also we have an estimated completion date. That is when it would leave our shop. That is not when it would arrive to you because transit times vary. We ship UPS ground from Oklahoma, and usually 2 to 4 days in transit. If you found this video on YouTube and you're not on the website, there will be a link in the description as to how to get to the website or to the product page. If you want to, you can go to refrigeratortrimkits.com, or you can search for it there, or go down to that product description, or video description, and it'll tell you where to go. And so that's where you'll find that information. I should note we do offer an expedite option, and it basically gets you the kit in about 3 to 5 days. Business days. That we work overtime in the shop to get the kit done as quickly as we can, and then we ship it UPS second day air instead of UPS ground. So that is available. What's in the kit? That's the next question. What's included? Is it just the face frame? Do you have the hardware that goes inside the cabinet and that kind of stuff? So typically our kits come with 3 components. They come with a rails or riser system that raises the microwave up and centers it in the opening. And it comes with hardware to stabilize the microwave. So as you're opening and closing it, it doesn't push the microwave backward into the opening, so it stays put. And then the last thing it comes with is the decorative face frame that goes around the microwave that you see. There are sometimes some components may not be required, and we will tell you that during the installation. That for instance, if you've got a really shallow cabinet or short cabinet or short cutout, and the microwave doesn't have to be raised up, it's already at center or even above center, you don't need rails or risers to raise your kit up or your microwave up. So, we'll tell you that during the installation process. So those are the 3 things that usually come with all of our kits. Next question is around ordering online and apprehension around ordering online, or hesitation without talking to somebody. What if something's wrong with my kit? What happens if you guys leave something out, or it's damaged during shipping, or basically, the theme is, I'm nervous about ordering online. How can I trust this process? And or do you guys have a representative that'll come to my home? And unfortunately, we're a small company in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We don't have representatives that go out and measure in your home. But I can assure you a couple of things. One, when you send that order form in and send that order in, I assure you there's somebody on the other side of that looking thoroughly through all of the notes, all of the photos, all of the dimensions, and planning your kit thoroughly. And if we have any questions at all during that process, we will reach out to you and get those questions answered prior to fabrication. And then lastly, if anything's wrong with your kit, if it's damaged in transit, or there was a typo, or we left a part out, or anything like that, I assure you we will stick with this and get you what you need to make this right. And at the end of the day, if you're not happy, we'll issue a 100% refund without any hassle at all. We want you to be happy with your kitchen. We want you to be happy with the kit. And that's how we operate. So hopefully that gives you some peace of mind. The easiest thing for us is you place the order online through the online order form. You attach some photos. We can review those. If you have any questions at all, if we have any questions at all, we will reach out to you. We like to use email or text. Email is the primary thing that we like to use, simply because a lot of times we'll include photos with that and mark those photos up with, can you get this dimension for me, or double check this doesn't make sense to us. Whatever it is, typically email is the best way that we have found to communicate. So yeah, a little bit about the ordering process. Okay, the next question we get a lot is around ventilation. Does your kit have ventilation? Does it come with ventilation? And the answer is yes, it does. We handle ventilation the same way a lot of the OEM kits handle ventilation. You know, you go to the appliance store, you look at GE or Whirlpool or Frigidaire or a lot of different companies. They put ventilation slots on the top and on the bottom, and that's what we do as well. So we've got a half-inch wide slot running the entire length of this bottom here and along the top, and that provides, if you do the math, that gives you quite a few square inches of ventilation. So yeah, that's how we handle ventilation. I will say a disclaimer here. I do not get involved in specific questions about, you know, can I put this Panasonic SN97 in this cabinet with your kit? And that is something that I do not get involved in, or I'm not able to provide an answer for. And I say that because I think we've got over 200 or 300 microwaves in our database. And then if you pair that with everybody's cabinet is unique, it's just, I don't have the ability to answer specific ventilation questions. I leave that up to each homeowner to make that decision. Next up, installation. Question we get is, how hard is installation? Can I install this myself? And the answer is yes. I believe fairly strongly that you should not have any issues installing the trim kit yourself. I'm a big fan of keep it simple. And so we put a lot of time and energy into designing a system that's really simple to install. Every kit comes with detailed installation videos, comes with all the hardware needed. The only tools you'll need are a screwdriver and a tape measure. And so, yeah, we get a lot of positive feedback about the installation process. And so I feel pretty good that, you know, it's a DIY friendly product and process. Next up is material. What's your kit made of? Is it a plastic kit? Is it stainless steel? What's it made of? And so basically, it's not plastic. There's no plastic on here. This also includes the mounting brackets in each corner. They are made of stainless steel, and they mount to the cabinet using screws and then attach to the face frame using magnets. This makes installation and removal of the face frame extremely easy. And then we do offer 4 different colors. We offer stainless, and this is true stainless. We offer black, we offer white, and we offer graphite. And the graphite is our attempt to match the black stainless steel out there on the market. And so, it's an all metal kit. It's very high quality with only a little bit of plastic right here in the corners for the quick release clips.